Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ying. I'm a data scientist working in the Bay Area. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money by saving energy using a free service called OhmConnect. Before I discovered OhmConnect, I always thought utility bills is an essential spend of our day-to-day life, and there's very little ways you can reduce it. But as soon as I started using OhmConnect, everything kind of changed. Not only have I become more energy conscious, every single week, I would look forward to something called the Ohm Hour, which is an energy saving hour where I disconnect from the digital world, either go out for a walk or simply meditate, knowing that this is great for the environment and I'm getting paid for it. Initially, I thought this was too good to be true, so I decided to give it at least 2 months before giving a full review. So in this video, I'll break down OhmConnect into what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can get paid for using this service. OhmConnect is a company that pays people to reduce electricity with the goal to decrease the overall carbon emissions on the planet. What's really unique about OhmConnect is that it aggregates hundreds and thousands of user data and have them reduce energy around the same time. So instead of having these dirty power plants work really hard, especially during peak energy hours, just like this hot summer heat wave we're having right now, utility companies such as pg&e or Edison will pay OhmConnect, and OhmConnect will in turn pay you 80% of their profit. This is not only great for your pocket, it's great for the environment by not turning on these dirty power plants. It's also good for pg&e and OhmConnect. So it's a win-win-win situation, just as the title of this channel suggested, a triple dip opportunity. So make sure you don't miss it. So if you're someone who lives in California, Texas, or Ontario, Canada, this service is available to you, powered by these utility companies. And I like this service so much, I really hope that they can expand it nationwide so more people can benefit. If this sounds good to you, I'll link my referral in the description box, so you can also sign up for a $10 sign-up bonus. Next, let's talk about how OhmConnect works. First of all, you need to go onto their website to sign up for the service by linking your account to your local utility company. In my case, it's pg&e. This way, they will know how much energy you're able to save in their designated Ohm Hour. Next, you will get notified via email or text in advance that your scheduled Ohm Hour is coming up. This is usually up to 2 times a week and can last to 1 hour, sometimes up to 2 to 3 hours as part of their Mega Ohm Hour initiative where you can gain extra bonuses. And finally, right before the Ohm Hour, just make sure you turn off all your electricity. In our case, we switched off our master power grid to make sure we maximize the savings. And now you just have to wait for Ohm points to show up on your account. It usually takes about a couple of days. So finally, how can you make money from this? What's really cool about OhmConnect is its gamification aspect that makes energy saving fun for all of us. So for each successful Ohm Hour you've completed, next time you will get a little bit more. So far, I've completed 8 Ohm Hours in a row, which means my next earning will be plus 40% bonus. You can also earn various status levels once you reach a certain threshold. The status is calculated based on the average percentage saved from your latest 5 Ohm Hours. So for example, if your projected spend is, let's say, 2.3 kilowatt hour, and you're able to bring it down to 0.4 kilowatt hour, then that's an 82% saving rate. A platinum status, such as the one I'm having right now, will reward you a 10x multiplier, whereas a diamond status, my next level up, will reward you a 12x multiplier. So a funny story is I was able to reach the diamond status initially. However, in the most recent week, we received a 3-hour Mega Ohm Hour just a couple minutes before it started. So that had really screwed up our utility metric. So that is definitely something you should keep in mind. An ad hoc Ohm Hour could come up time to time, especially during the really hot summer days. So far, we've had 8 successful Ohm Hours in 2 months, which has saved us a total of 4.6 kilowatt hour, and 9,804 points are deposited into an account, which is equivalent to $98.04 that can be cashed out via PayPal or via donation if you wish. And if this trend continues, we're projected to save over $350 this year. And on top of that, my month-to-month energy bill also reduced because we're developing these great utility saving habits. Something I forgot to mention that if you already have some smart devices at home, such as the Nest thermostat, smart switches, or a smart vehicle, you can also link them to your OhmConnect account. And by enrolling in their OhmSmart program, they will control these devices for you and automatically turn it off, but with a monthly fee. This is not something we're exploring at the moment, but if you guys did try it out, please let me know. I sincerely hope that you guys will try out the OhmConnect service by clicking on my referral link in the description box. By doing so, you will be automatically invited into my team if you wish to join, called Triple Dip Energy Saving, where we can track progress together while still keeping each other accountable. And if you enjoyed this video, I've also made a custom playlist which has some of my most popular videos about how to save during COVID. So make sure you check them out. Until next time, bye guys.